some stuff in store-bought slime. So we're not sure if anything will mix into these.
Because they're jiggly.
Yeah, but we're going to see. This is from the last video we did. So let's get the buns. First time that's jiggling, nothing will mix into that. But we'll see if the snow mix in.
Well, it's quite pretty.
Try and see if the snow won't mix in. I'm going to put my band on. Look.
Whoa,
it's a bit big. Okay, Angel,
like
do you want to see if the snow will mix in?
Okay.
Oh guys, it's sticking. Oh my gosh. There's a...
Why is yours more pinker than mine?
It just is. Oh, there's some stuck on it. So guys, this is very
not
jiggly.
mixing in.
Wait, it'll make it look like... It does mix in. Trust me, it does. Look, it sticks to it.
No, it doesn't mix into mine.
Well, it does to me, look. Look guys, it's mixing
Doesn't
in.
to me, so...
Just keep adding on it different sides. Because then it'll make it...
That's nicely. Okay, next I'm going to do a unicorn.
Oh, it feels so nice when you had the snow in.
Unicorn poop.
I'm just going to keep adding it in and adding it in.
Whoa.
Oh,
It's pretty.
So guys, this is
Fine. I'm going to mix it into this.
We've got some other things, you know, from the last
I know.
video we did.
I know, but I'm just doing this one.
Look. Now, I think that's enough for snowman. Yeah, so that's enough snow. So guys,
And you're allowed to take yours.
so that's mine.
This is mine.
That's your unicorn one, unicorn putty.
It's a bird, I made a bird.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so guys,
It's no putty.
that is the one that I
Yours
did.
is
I'm going to clean my hands.
Yours is
Some of
small.
those in. Do you want to pass me the snowballs? They look like snowballs. That's what
I'm going to add the toothpaste in.
Seriously, from our last video, that is
The toothpaste. I'm going to add the toothpaste or the face mask.
Angel, let's have a look at that.
mask.
That works really well, that. Let me feel that one.
Okay.
Let me feel.
Gosh,
Really
Danny,
quick.
I keep dropping it because my hands are wet.
Guys, look at that one. That's got snow put into it, but it worked. That Angel,
That's
that,
how you play
that
with it.
looks really cool. That one with the snow. in it.
Yes.
Nice.
It's got glitter in that one.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, it's so nice.
Angel, what would happen? Do you think if you mixed toothpaste into it?
I'm adding face mask.
Face mask.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not
I'm gonna have
Face mask.
mask.
I won't put too much in though, because if you wreck it, we can't fix it, can we?
Maybe.
Have you noticed that the slime from the stores not very stretchy?
Look,
Mm.
those ones from our last video.
No, because this is
stretchy.
putty.
It's putty slime.
Yeah, it's putty. This one won't stretch because this one is jiggly. Normal slime, like the ones we've got over there from our last video, will stretch because they're
It's
normal
stretching in my
slimes.
putty.
Is it making it more stretchy?
I might just pour some snow on my plate. Oh,
What's that done to it, Angel?
Just made it more stretchy.
Really?
Oh,
If you put face wash into store-bought slime, it makes it more stretchy.
It's not face wash, it's face mask.
it feels so nice. This is actually 10 slime. I thought it would ruin it, but it's just not made it more stretchy. Oh.
There we go. I'm going to make it into a pig in a blanket.
So it's going to be like a winter slime, but pink.
What's yours feel like, Angel?
Cool.
Let me feel it. Doesn't feel like mine. Feel mine. You can feel the snow. It still feels nice, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Does it feel nice still?
Yes!
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get some of these off the table.
I'm going to make it into
I want to add some glitter in.
video so you won't see some videos.
I think I might add some silver glitter in too.
Ever.
Can I have some silver glitter, please?
Silver. There's no silver.
Yeah, they use some in those packs.
Gold.
No, silver. They use some in those packs. 1 minute.
Okay.
Wash my hands and get some.
Look at it. Whoa, whoa.
That is really, really snow slime, that one.
Mine.
Yeah.
No,
both
mine.
but no, both of them. Yours is like small snow, Angel, and
mine's like big snow.
and yours is, yeah, bigger snow, yeah.
There should be some silver in those packs.
Shall I put toothpaste in?
Toothpaste? Trying to put toothpaste in there?
To see what happens? A tiny bit though.
A tiny bit.
Ooh. We'll have to. I'll put it there so I'll be able
I
to.
think I might actually have some shaving foam.
I'll do it after too.
Shaving foam into store-bought slime?
Yeah.
I don't know if that'll work.
My hand's making it.
Can I have some shaving foam? Can I have some shaving foam, Daddy?
There you go. It's right thing.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
what if you add that into
What, shaving foam and toothpaste?
and then
together?
mix it to a slime?
I don't know if it'd work.
Oh, it's not ruining it. The green glitter doesn't do any very much. It doesn't make it look
It don't mix very well, does it? The store-bought.
There's a spoon right here, yeah.
Toothpaste and shaving foam
They're
mixture.
mixed together. I don't think.
What are you making, Angel? A sandwich?
Oh, it's turning thick again. I think I need to ask because it's gone thick again. Oh, that's a bit too much. I'm gonna take this wristband off because this wristband is really, really nice.
You're going to keep that?
Yeah. It was only us. Feels so good, guys. One time I think we should do an ASMR with. What? That feels like man.
Feels like a... Is it like a fish?
It feels like man. I'm gonna add some more green glitter for some reason. Oh, that's a bit too much. I didn't mean to.
I haven't put any glitter on.
Well, I want mine to be glittery, but there's no silver glitter. There was in some of those glitter packs, but it's all a mess now. Guys, look.
Look at my hands!
I didn't think that anything would mix into store-bought slime like that.
This is my favourite.
Oh,
This is my
the
favourite.
jiggly slime.
Yeah,
I don't know
makes
actually.
sense.
I think I quite like the. I think I quite like that one. What you're using
I
now?
know, that's right.
No, I like the jiggly slime.
'Cause
more.
that's-
Look, hers is more purple, mine's more pink.
Yeah. Did you add some colour to yours?
No, I think it just might be the blue.
The shaving foam.
No, the blue.
Yeah.
I'll put that in too.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, maybe not as much. Maybe the glitter's made it a different colour.
Nah, I wouldn't have.
In mine.
I don't know how that could be possible.
You're gonna force the paint into the slime. Go on then. Let's see if it'll work. I don't know.
Gross.
Hopefully this will work. Rise and did meat. And this is a ruined slime. Actually, it's mixing in. Look, you can't even find it.
Mine's pet.
I think the colour of it, the pink when you first get it's quite nice actually.
Yeah, but I want it to be purple.
And this slime, Angel, do you know how much this slime was? How much this slime was, guys?
£1.
Yeah, it was. It was
£100.
no, it was £1. That's right. From Pound.
Oh my gosh! Wait, it's from Pound Shop.
Yeah, I got this slime from Pound Shop. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think's best then? Store bought or our own?
Our own.
Yeah.
Our
At least you can make it however you want it, can't you?
Yeah, I think I might add this into my other slime.
You're gonna mix that with your other slimes.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Me not.
I might just add a little bit of it at a time and see how it goes because I don't want to ruin it and I'll be able to take.
Oh, it smells like mint.
Have you put some smelly in it?
Oh no, I haven't put any of my perfume in it. I said I was going to.
No, my toothpaste.
Oh, it smells like mint.
I even put my perfume in it and I said I would.
Angel, look how stretchy it is. I can smell it. Oh, it does. It smells like mint.
Can you open it, please? I was gonna add some perfume in. Thanks.
Perfume.
Only 3 bits.
You have to mix it a few times to get that really well mixed in.
You can smell it already.
Can you smell it? What does it smell like? It's a real good idea mixing perfume into slime. I don't think anybody else has done that on YouTube.
No, I don't think so. But they've definitely made slimes better.
By making them in the store-bought.
I think so. They should be if that done. And next, video, we're going to make toys, which us two are going to do by ourselves. Yeah, you're not going to be in it. Sorry.
Dad, look at that.
Oh! Oh! You should put one of those videos on. How do you do that on YouTube?
Got a steady hand, Angel.
Look! You can stop that now. I think I'll take a little bit of the top.
And then you.
And now your slime will smell like mint.
Nah, I'll add some of that in. I just want to see what happens.
What are you making, Angel?
A mixture.
I'm gonna add some more
I don't know
shaving
what
foam.
mixture.
I'm adding some more shaving foam.
Do you think if you mix... Do you think if you mix all that into your slime, that it'll still be slime?
No.
Yes.
Try it then. Let's see.
Yeah, I think I did too much shaving foam. I did too much shaving foam.
Oh dear. Is it still slime though?
Whoa!
It's still slime,
I
just
did.
very gloopy. I think I need some face mask.
Angel,
getting very
Angel, your
messy.
slime will never take all of that toothpaste into it without going all...
Clumpy and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't mind it
Seriously,
being
I can't
clumpy.
open it.
It's because your hands are so...
I've got my nail on it.
Oh, look at it!
I'm getting you to open everything.
Look!
Seriously. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh.
That's a bit too much.
Feel it.
Angel,
No.
mix all that in. Let's see what happens.
Oh, that doesn't feel nice. Mine feels better than that, I'm telling you.
Feel it, Daddy.
Oh, it's getting better. It's getting
Feel
better.
it, feel
The
it.
face mask is just making it better.
It's real sticky now.
Look, isn't that better?
Yeah, face mask makes it more like gluey, I think. Does it?
No, it just makes it.
It might replace glue.
What?
I think.
I don't think you can make slime with anything really but PVA glue. I think that's the main thing, isn't it?
No, you can use it. You can do glue.
Yeah, but it's all glue. Yeah, I don't think you can use anything else. People just
You can use soap to make some.
really. Oh, we used flour and water once, didn't we?
Look,
To make edible slime.
have you still got that edible slime? Have you ate it all?
No, do you know what happened to it? It went all mouldy.
Well, I guess you need to put it in the fridge.
Oh, it's actually working.
Mine's actually working.
Oh, it's on
Look
the
how
street
light
still.
purple it got.
These on the street still. Dad, look how light it is.
Look how light mine is.
Good job.
So like,
Bye, make it better. Bye.
bye. It might get a bit gloopy sometimes. Okay, bye.